sorry, we already started cleaning up. Then the cameraman suggested, hey, why don't we do a video about it? So half of it's already cleaned up right now. So I'm just gonna show you. I'm spraying this. This is soapy water. It says water, but it's soapy water. See, soapy. So I'm gonna just be spraying that on it a lot. Cause we didn't post a video. There was this video. We haven't posted it yet. Oh, that is very dusty and crinkly over there. It was with this slime right here, and oh gosh, and it was not fun. We are not posting that one because we got in big trouble for it. Wink, wink. So we're not gonna be posting that. I'm going to have to cameraman. Going to, since I've already wiped that down a lot, I'm going to just be wiping that down real quick. Wiping around it. Man, our moms are going to kill us. Soapy water. Hey! Oh man, they don't want to see you. Hey, now you made everything foggy. It's foggy now. Cameraman. Can I do it, cameraman? Let's see if it's watery now. Okay, the lid is going on this and it is staying on this for a while now. So, everyone, if you guys want to see us free slime, it won't be like one of those Elmer Glow slimes. Here, I'll show you what slime it'll be. It'll be this Play-Doh. Hi, cameraman. It'll be this Play-Doh right here. If you want to see it, like and subscribe. If we get to 3 likes, because we have low expectations and we really want to do it. Now, if we get to 1 like, then we will be doing it. So I'm gonna throw away these little things, and the cameraman is grabbing a lot of things. And this one I can stay, but I used a lot of items. And not to mention, cameraman! So distracted. So distracted. Chaton, he has found the ball. Okay, we can throw these away. Say hi, cameraman. I'm sorry. Meow, 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 meow. Say hi, meow schools. Okay, run now, schools. Run. Ow! Come on, you gotta run. Let's see. So, whenever he wasn't 6 months, he could fit all 4s in my hand. Okay, let's see. Can he still do it? Can he still do it? Oh, no! He's not allowed on the table. Let's get you away from the table. If he falls, ow! Back to the clean. We have literally what? I'm joking. The cameraman did not hurt me. She should have though, because I hurt her earlier on accident. Wink, 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 accident. We're doing a slime cleanup video, but yeah, I get us some really pretty slime. Okay. So. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Look at that a second. But we will be having to put on the tablecloth after this. We're gonna do we're gonna pause the video and we will show you. No, I'm gonna do it, cameraman. I'll show you in a second. And we will be showing you the before matter, the aftermath. So here's the before. Messy, I know. The Here's still the before. Messy, I know. And now here's the aftermath. And here's the aftermath. There's that, and there's that with the new tablecloth on it. Bye guys, have a blessed day. Bye.